Welcome to XYZ Tech, where we unravel the complexities of technology. Today, we're delving into the world of VPNs in 2024. Virtual private networks have become essential in our digital lives. But with so many options, selecting the right VPN can be daunting. This guide aims to simplify that choice for you. We'll start with the basics. What is a VPN? A VPN is a service that encrypts your internet connection. It routes your data through a secure server, masking your online identity. This process enhances your digital privacy and security. VPNs also help bypass geographical restrictions on websites and content. In 2024, the use of VPNs has evolved dramatically. New technologies have emerged, making VPNs more efficient and secure. Understanding these advancements is key to choosing the right VPN. We'll explore different types of VPN technologies. Each technology caters to specific needs and scenarios. From personal use to corporate environments, VPNs serve diverse purposes. Selecting a VPN isn't just about privacy, it's about functionality. We'll discuss their features, benefits, and ideal use cases. Understanding different VPN technologies is crucial. Let's explore the most popular types of VPNs in 2024. First, there are remote access VPNs. Ideal for individual users and telecommuters. They provide secure access to a network over the internet. Then, we have site-to-site VPNs. Used primarily by large companies with multiple locations. These VPNs create a secure network bridge between offices. Another type is the mobile VPN. Perfect for those constantly on the move. Mobile VPNs maintain a stable connection regardless of location changes. Cloud VPNs have also gained popularity. They offer scalable, cloud-based network security. This type is excellent for businesses embracing cloud technology. Each VPN type has distinct features and use cases. For instance, remote access VPNs are great for secure browsing from home, while site-to-site VPNs are essential for secure inter-office communication. Mobile VPNs offer seamless switching between networks. This feature is invaluable for business travelers. Cloud VPNs provide flexibility and scalability for growing businesses. They integrate seamlessly with cloud services. Knowing these types will help you identify which VPN suits your needs. These include security features, speed, and user experience. First and foremost is security. In 2024, security features in VPNs have advanced significantly. Look for VPNs with strong encryption protocols. AES-256 encryption is a standard in top VPNs. Another security feature is the no logs policy. It ensures your online activities aren't recorded or tracked. The presence of a kill switch is another crucial security measure. This feature disconnects you from the internet if the VPN fails. Speed is another vital factor. A good VPN should offer fast and reliable connections. High-speed VPNs prevent buffering and slow download times. Consider the number and location of servers. A vast network of servers ensures better speed and accessibility. User experience is also important. Look for VPNs with easy-to-use interfaces. User-friendly VPNs make it simple to connect and switch servers. Compatibility with multiple devices is another key aspect. Ensure the VPN works seamlessly on your phone, tablet, and computer. Another factor is customer support. Reliable VPNs provide efficient and accessible customer assistance. Pricing and plans vary widely among VPN providers. Compare prices and features to find the best value for your needs. These innovations are changing the way we use VPNs in 2024. One of the significant advancements is in speed and efficiency. Protocols like WireGuard have revolutionized VPN speed. WireGuard offers faster speeds and improved encryption. Another advancement is in the area of cloud-based VPN services. These services offer greater scalability and flexibility. They are ideal for businesses with fluctuating bandwidth needs. Artificial intelligence, AI, is now integrated into VPNs. AI helps in optimizing server selection and traffic management. This integration enhances security and user experience. Blockchain technology is also making its way into VPNs. It adds an extra layer of security and anonymity. Blockchain-based VPNs decentralize data handling, increasing privacy. Quantum computing is another frontier being explored. It promises to offer unbreakable encryption in the future. VPNs are also focusing on more user-centric features. Customizable interfaces and tailored experiences are becoming common. These advancements make VPNs more accessible and effective. We'll provide a step-by-step guide to get you started. Setting up a VPN can be simple and straightforward. First, choose a VPN provider that fits your needs. Refer to the factors we discussed earlier when making your choice. Once selected, download and install the VPN application. Installation is usually a quick and easy process. After installation, open the app and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Now, select a VPN server to connect to. Servers closer to your location typically offer faster speeds. Once connected, your internet connection is secure and private. Your VPN app may have various settings you can customize. Explore these settings to optimize your VPN experience. Settings can include automatic connection on startup and choosing preferred protocols. Remember, a VPN is a tool to enhance your online security. It should not be used for illegal activities. Regularly update your VPN software to ensure the best performance. Updating also helps protect against new security threats. Using a VPN is a great way to protect your online privacy. But even the best VPNs can encounter issues. Understanding how to troubleshoot common problems is essential. One common issue is VPN connection drops. This can be due to various reasons like unstable internet connections. Check your internet connectivity if your VPN frequently disconnects. Server overloads can also cause connection drops. Switching to a less crowded server can often resolve this. Another issue is slow VPN speeds. Slow speeds can be frustrating, especially when streaming or downloading. Try connecting to a server closer to your location for better speeds. If that doesn't work, check if your network is congested. Upgrading to a faster internet plan might be necessary. Some users experience difficulty accessing certain websites with a VPN. This is often due to geo-blocking or VPN detection by the website. Switching servers or using a different VPN protocol can help bypass these blocks. Another common problem is the VPN not starting up. This could be due to outdated software or compatibility issues. Ensure your VPN app is updated and compatible with your device. In some cases, reinstalling the VPN software can fix startup problems. VPN connection errors can also occur. These errors are often due to incorrect login details or expired subscriptions. Verify your account details and subscription status if you encounter this issue. Lastly, some users might face issues with VPN features like kill switches. If the kill switch isn't working, check the settings in your VPN app. Sometimes, toggling the feature off and on again can resolve the issue. Remember, most VPN providers offer customer support. Don't hesitate to contact them for assistance with complex issues. In conclusion, understanding and utilizing VPNs effectively is crucial in today's digital age. A VPN is not just a tool for privacy, but a gateway to a freer internet. Whether for personal privacy, business security, or unrestricted access, VPNs are versatile. Keep in mind the advancements in VPN technology. They are continuously evolving to offer better security and user experience. Regularly update your VPN software to benefit from these advancements. And always be mindful of the legal and ethical use of VPNs. Responsible use ensures a safer internet for everyone. In summary, a well-chosen VPN is a powerful asset. It protects your online data and enhances your internet freedom. Thank you for joining us on XYZ Tech. We hope this guide has illuminated the path to finding your perfect VPN. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you.